Click and open tracking offer powerful insights into what resonates with your users. Typically, tracking is done through a shared domain. The trouble? The shared domain reputation could impact your deliverability. Today, we're launching custom tracking domains for everyone. Now you can track both opens and clicks, getting the data you need in a way that builds trust with inbox providers. They love to see alignment between your sending domain and your content. Click tracking works by setting up a redirect for each link in your email. When anyone clicks a link, the action is recorded and the user is redirected to the original URL. Open tracking embeds a 1x1 pixel image that, when downloaded, indicates the email was opened. So how does custom tracking work? It replaces the shared tracking domain with your domain. When you enable click or open tracking, add a single CNAME record and Resend will handle the proxy and record the action. Pair custom tracking with real-time webhooks, and you can programmatically measure the results of your email, better understand your audience, and refine your templates to fit your recipients. Custom tracking gives you full control over your mail's reputation while helping you learn what your recipients want. Starting today, it's available for free for every Resend user.